la música de Harry Frog.
My name is Wavy, and I'm the best. All the DJs want to pause the rest.
About to ride this wave.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. I know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Next Friday, about to hit my least favorite spot. Yeah, you know, the post office. Shout out, hey man, damn that offer up, man. I'm gonna start bringing all my sales to the mob, man. Yo, shout out to Flyest Trucker, you know. Seen them Asics, he was like, they mine, you know what I'm saying? They mine now. I said, all right, shout me the bread, boom, and there I go. This is not gonna be a long vid. I actually got a few pickups. What I really want to talk about is those Katrina threes or the Hall of Fame threes. I don't know. Jordan Brand, they switch up the names to get it real captivating. Like, oh, these are the tinkers that, you know, when MJ was in the bathroom, you know, with the squirts, you know, I kind of, you know, yeah, all right, we get it. Anyway, I'm about to ship these off.
Eyes front, mister.
But anyway, yeah, I'm about to ship these off. But yeah, my thing is with these threes, are y'all copping or y'all talking about not copping because you think they're gonna sit so they not fly, or y'all gonna like let them sit because you want to kind of get a discount? And I can understand that. I did call Foot Locker and I asked them, I was like, yo, are y'all giving the military discount out? Because they retail at $190, but that military discount with 20%, that joint works. They be kind of flaky up here with that joint, man. And then I've been here, shout out to JCM. He told me like there was a meeting or something, I don't know. He just said that he heard that they was doing away with all the, like, with military discounts, like right away off the rip. And that's crazy. I ain't feeling that. Not for the simple fact that I'm a veteran and shit like that, but it's like, damn, it's just 20%. I mean, can the veterans, can they ease up 20% on the war efforts?
No, God, please, no!
No? Oh, okay, well then, damn, what's 20%?
Tell me, somebody!
It wouldn't really fly like in a town like Fort Bragg. That ain't going down, you know? If I can't get that military discount tomorrow,
I'll get my brother to shoot you in the face.
I'm not copping right away. Nah, I'm not. And oh my bad, I do got some pickups. I got a joint for Minimal LA, and I got, oh, shout out to Effectus Clothing. I got Effectus Clothing package. I'm thinking that these are for the Katrinas, so we're gonna check those out. But anyway, man, let me get to where I need to get to right quick. We're gonna go to the post office. I'm gonna hit Styles P Juice Bar. It's gonna be like a ritual for me on Fridays, I think. But man, I'm just gonna bring y'all along with the ride. I'm trying not to have this be too long.
Pause.
Follow me. Y'all already know. Enjoy the views. Ow.
Pick me up. I can get that order for you. I can get them quarters to you. I can make that quarter for you. I can make that water through you. Make a nigga bitch that slow. Got her sitting all uncomfortable. You know what this pump could do. Spin around and jump and chill. Just in case I ain't leaving no witness.
So I'm in front of the post office. A freak boy. Let me tight. Yeah, pause on the freak boy. Homie was trying to pull up into the parking spot. I just darted in and just got all on the damn curve and shit. Like I was doing a three-way turn, but I just got in there. Like. But anyway, let's go up in here right quick. Yeah, I know. Ow. All right, in and out of there. Like, I fell asleep up in here for a couple hours. I didn't know that this was like a pay for parking. And I had asked the old boy, it was this cat, he was standing right there. He said he worked there. I was like, is this meter parking? He was like, yeah, the whole block. I was like, all right. So he was like, well, yo, check this out. I work here. So if you want to, depending on how fast you're gonna be, you just come up into the parking lot, you know, get you a parking spot, and then boom, boom, boom. Shit. Sounds good. But they be telling me shit. First thing I do, I start zoning out and trying to figure out what's the bad that can happen. You know what I'm saying? Yo, my ears was ringing. It was like, like that. We'll chat a little bit more about these Katrinas. I do like to do these vlogs, like going in, out and about. I don't just want to like be on no couch. And I'm really not the type to be like shucking and jiving with y'all about like, oh, do you like the off-white ones? Let's discuss it. Nah, I just want to know. I mean, they're coming out. I did do enter the raffle. I'm just waiting to hear if I won. But if I get that discount, I'm damn sure copping. I think they hard, but anyway, we talk about that later. See you when I see you in a second.
Constantly towing a pistol when I rap, and so official when I rap. Him in the game or Mac back.
Jumped off, now I'm scoring like Shaq. Slow trotting, yeah, I'm touring the map. Hoop riding when I'm back in the hood. A Benz coupe and put the roof in the back. Got my strapper on my lap, so I'm good, yeah. Cross streets and you would definitely lose. Low scrap.
Alright, so we in front of Juices for Life, my Friday ritual spot. Better go up in there and get my lunch so I can eat what I want, drink what I want tonight. Yeah, but anyway, Katrina's, yeah, like off rip, they look like a cool ass summer sneak. They are missing something though. I don't think those laces do them justice, but it's okay coming with the stock laces. I'm not really into swapping up the laces, but I have seen that the lace swaps do kind of hit with it. I saw Jumpman Bostic had those on, like the green, those off-white laces. Those will fly. That's summer right there. That's fly right there. Another pick I seen, NES1. He always has them fly on feet. I like how he threw those what is it? Those Ralph Lauren socks, boy. Yeah. You know, I be peeping, man. I peep style. You know, I see shit, and you know, I take it and run with it. Kind of like how y'all do my editing techniques. Ooh.
Y'all want to take my flow and run with it? That's cool. I was the first one with it.
You know, I'm just playing with y'all, man. You know, timing a little off. Yeah, them joints, like I say, summer fly, man, for real. Like a nice hot day, yo. The joints is fly. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all think they fly? They do look like they lacking a bit, like with the laces. It kind of reminds me of the infrared 3s. I've yet to rock them joints because I want some laces for them, man. Really. I was thinking about getting like the elephant print joints, maybe with the tips being infrared. If y'all know any sneaker companies, sneaker accessory companies that do them joints, let me know. Put that information below. But anyway, man, let me get up in here, drink this juice. Then we're going to my favorite graffiti spot because I gotta pick up some water anyway. And I'm gonna do this unboxing. Come along.
I'm 5'8", bigger than the Titan, though. Gun, weed, or mic, which one I'm lighting, though? All three, all G, H-O-S-T. Nigga, you don't test me unless you're planning to fail, cause you can ride, then die with your hand. Take a smart man to get in on a smooth course. Singing you will never find by new rules. Thinking can I live? Now the crib got 2 floors. Can't snooze off, nor take my shoes off. Lot of niggas is rude, that shit'll throw your mood off. Lot of niggas is cruel, trying to cut your fuel off. Watch your ride die, no jump for you. They ain't pump you up, but I bet you they got a pump for you.
That's about the juice bar. Yeah, I know this is Castle Hill location. Hey, have y'all ever been to any of the juice bars? Let me know. Like, not just a juice bar, I'm saying a Juices for Life. Either the Castle Hill joint, Throg's Neck, or Brooklyn. Brooklyn got one too. I feel it's real important for us to start, you know, getting healthy, drinking healthy, because once a week I go to the juice bar, so I got a lot of knowledge. Yo, you hate when somebody, they get on like some kind of wave and then like they be trying to like preach you like everybody gotta get on. Yo. Hey man, this bark though, let me keep it down. This bark, it ain't like Tiger Bone, but boy. So anyway, let me get to where I need to get to. I'm gonna do this unboxing because I still got some gear for y'all to see. All right, and then we're gonna get up out of here. So see you in a second. All right, so we're in front of my favorite graffiti spot as of right now in the Bronx. Another question: if these Katrina 3s, Hall of Fame 3s, whatever, if these joints sit, does that mean they not fly? I don't believe that that's the issue. Anyway, yo. Got this packaging from Effectus Clothing. You already know. Use my discount code WAVY. Save 25% off your purchase. Shout out to Effectus Clothing for I don't know what the f they seeing me. Hey, but this graffiti joint, this Ralph Wiggum joint hard though, right? I'm trying to stall while I open up these tees. All these look like white tees, so you already know white tee is a white tee. Back up off the wall like hot copy. Damn, what's this one? The paper chase. This joint clean though, boy. The joint clean. Word, right? Next up, we got the Rags to Riches Scarface joint. This joint cool right here. Facing the back of that drop with the elephant print around the frame. Like I said, yo, a white tee is a white tee. Back up off the wall like hot coffee. Possibly a 3 and done, but I think the way to rock these joints is, you know, you rock it the first time, rock it out, or if it's still kind of chilly in your area, throw a little shirt, hoodie, whatever on top of it, and then come back the next time with just the regular tee. So it's like, this is my favorite one though right here. Boom, crispy kicks, right? Oh, crispy clean. All right, I remember the one said crispy click, crispy kicks, but yeah, crispy clean. Yeah. Yo, if they would have had like a little bit of that green from them laces, like that'll match with them laces just a little bit. Oh yeah, it'd been hard, but yo, my favorite joint right here. I love this one. It's probably gonna be the first one I rock right here. I ain't even gonna hold you. All right, so that's it with the Effective Clothing joint. You like any of those tees, you can check them out. Remember, use my discount code WAVY, save 25% off your purchase. Minimal LA. They ain't on the wave yet, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I've been wanting to get a pair of camo pants for like the longest, but I've been really wanting this type of color, this real BDU style from back in the day. Like, that's what I've been wanting. My pops was gonna send me a joint, but his had like creases in them already and stuff. I was like, I don't know.
You too smooth now? That's what it is, you too smooth?
I saw this cat on Fordham. He had these, and I asked him, I thought they were from Minimal, I didn't know, but I went up, you know me, I was like, yo, I said, where you get them joints from? He was like,
That's really none of your business.
went home that night, copped these joints, so here they go. I got these in a size, these are size large. Boom. Yeah. I'm gonna definitely do my thing with these.
That's for damn sure.
Cargo pockets right here. I think these cost like, let me see. I forget what I paid, but what I did do, I used a 10% like discount code from like Retail Me Not or something. I always look for those discount codes, but yeah, so they got the back pockets, because I don't feel like you should put much in these pockets, you know? Nah, because they already gonna be like there, but yeah, these joints are alright. Wash life, I don't know, because these joints look like they already on that. Yeah, like they ready to go, but anyway, yeah, so these are those right here. Let me know what y'all think about these pickups. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely rock these real soon. Oh yeah, and the fit that I got on right now, this is 89 Clothing. You can also use my discount code WAVY, save 25%, or you can hit the link below, go straight there. One of the features about this sweatsuit is that kind of like messes me up is the pockets ain't that deep. Stuff like this, it ain't really meant to be like loaded down with shit, but I just feel like with the lack of pocket space, it kind of but this joint is hard, you know what I'm saying? Joint is pretty fresh. Probably the last time I'm gonna be rocking it, not this year, but you know, until it gets back cold again, because the weather is changing. But anyway, man, forget all that. Yo, tomorrow the Jordan 3s drop. Are y'all copping them? Are y'all waiting? Or y'all trying to get the discount? Is getting the discount worth trying to wait and miss out on the joints? Let me know. If you really want these joints, you make that decision. I want to get my discount. That's what I want to do. And if they trying to front like, nah, we ain't giving it up, yeah, I'm gonna find out when they're giving it up, and then I get my discount. But anyway, man, I'm about to get up out of here. I thank y'all for rocking with me. Let me know, y'all want me to continue to do this? Casper hit me up telling me like, yo, we like the music you be playing. I appreciate that, man, because it's all about the music really sets the tone. I'm thinking about doing like this playlist type podcast joint. I just want to get this mic. I'll be bullshitting. I know I keep throwing that joint out there, but I want to do something for the cats that be working. You like, you can't sit there and look on your phone, but you can put your headphones in and, you know, just vibe out. You know, I'll probably like describe like what was going on, you know, do it like a top 10, talk about the joint, come back, talk about the joint, boom, boom, boom. In and out like a robbery, you already know. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter be. But that snaps.
2 tears in a bucket. Fuck it.
It's your boy Wavy. You already know this. My channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. I use the bathroom like a mother. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.